Hi, my name is Chinedu is the CEO of Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. I'm excited to be here once again. It's been a while, almost 2 months, that we have not dropped our weekly analysis. Since April, first week of April, we have been working on our sniper entry strategy. We have been delivering results on our sniper entry strategy, and because of that, we paid less attention to analysis, weekly analysis. We are so sorry for those of you that have been making use of this weekly analysis and you've not seen it for some time now. We are so sorry. Okay, so we are going to analyze, as usual, some pairs starting with gold, but we're not going to dwell so much on gold. If you want signals on gold, if you want to know how we are trading gold, then you need to reach me at Dubiss1 on Telegram. If this is your first time of joining or watching our video or joining this analysis, just subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Ensure you like the video. Let's have your comment in the comment section. For as many that have been waiting for this weekly analysis, we want to see your comments in the comment section. All right, follow us on all social media handles, Dubiss Forex Academy. You can follow us on Instagram, even on Telegram. You can just type Win Forex with Dubiss on Telegram, Win Forex with Dubiss together. Then you will see our channel for free channel where we drop signals. All right, then if you want to have access to our sniper entry strategy on gold that give us average of 1,000 pips daily, then you need to reach me on Dubiss1 at Dubiss1 on Telegram, or you can reach me if you want to reach me on WhatsApp. It's +234 0818-255-6177. That's +234-81255-6177. Right, so let's go. XAUSD, this XAUSD gold has been crazy, breaking unbreakables, making higher highs, making breaking new highs on weekly or monthly basis. So on daily analysis, gold has been hitting all-time high, and from what we are seeing, if you can see, this is just like a resistance where gold hit last week, 336064. That was what gold hit last week Friday. Right, today we are seeing a little retracement. I can tell you, don't be so comfortable with this sell because gold will stick by. Today gold may retrace. Today is public holidays. Today is 26th of May, public holidays in US, and also tomorrow will be public holidays in UK. So we are going to have some public holidays this week. Even on Thursday, there's also public holidays, Europe, right? French, German. So we'll have some public holidays this week. But irrespective of that, we are going to see gold probably breaking this high. This high you're seeing here, gold will still break it. This particular one, even the all-time high that gold made, most likely within this week we are anticipating gold to still get here, but we trade what we see. All right, this is just a focus, is what we see. We trade, so we trade short, we buy, we sell gold on lower time frame. So if you want to trade with us on gold, then you need to reach me, like I said, at Dubiss1 on Telegram. That is it for gold. So we're not dwelling so much on that since we have a sniper entry strategy that is working for good. All right, so we are looking at Euro USD right now. Euro USD. Okay, so for all right, so like I was saying, for Euro USD, Euro USD has been also bullish. You know, dollar has been losing grip. Dollar has been weak because of this tariff war between Donald Trump and both China, EU. All the trade war that's going on is affecting dollar at the moment. So you can see on daily time frame, this is our key level where dollar mitigated. I mean, the Euro USD mitigated there, and then Euro USD is falling. You know, Euro USD is directly opposite of a dollar index. Once dollar index is falling, Euro USD will be rising. All right, they are not correlated, so they are opposite. They move opposite direction. So Euro USD most likely will break this. Let me give you all the levels for you to note. So these are all the levels. So we are believing that Euro US is going to break all these levels. So I'm giving you the key levels for you to know, so that if you're buying Euro US, you know when it will most likely retrace from these key levels highlighted. So let me draw it and drop. So we believe that this pair will move all the way till this level. Okay, so this is the direction. Like in this analysis, we'll give you the direction, then you now follow the trend. Okay, instead of selling Euro USD today, at the moment you look for opportunity to buy Euro USD. That's what we are actually saying. So you follow the direction we are giving you right now. Then for USD CHF, honestly, even though dollar is weak, CHF have hit a key level, so we're expecting it to bounce from there. So what we most likely may see is price. This is giving us something like this, a harmonic for a sell. At the moment, price will bounce from there. Okay, give us maybe entry point around this level. So from here now is a massive move if price actually move here. So if dollar retrace, price move from this point. So it's a massive move from here to here. It is a big number that price most likely will move. This over 200 pips. Okay, that it may bounce from here. Okay, this is actually this is giving me stress to measure. It's actually from the system. Okay, so let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD have also hit key level that we highlighted. You can see this was previously analysis we did before this rising wedge. You can see the channel we highlighted. Price have hit this key level here, so most likely price will retrace. Of course, we will still see price retracing and breaking here, but at the moment expect a pullback from this point for GBP/USD, so you can look for opportunity to short for this pullback. All right, because price has been moving, and then this place is a key level where we're expecting price to bounce off from there, hit there as a resistance, and then retrace. And the price is already doing that. You can see price already retracing. This is daily time frame, so this over 30 pips move from this place that it hits. Okay, then USD card. Okay, I think we use this one. So for USD card, this is what I'm expecting for USD card. These are previous analysis done, but this one we just did it this morning. I'm expecting USD card to, from this point, bounce off, give us an entry point to fall. So USD card most likely is on its way to 1.32400 area, even up to 1.32200. That is where USD card, this is first target, and the second target is price could actually move even down to this point. So this is massive. So USD card most likely will bounce off, giving us entry point around this zone, and then price fall up to this. Okay, that's the direction for USD card. Then for Euro GBP, we're expecting price to bounce off. Last time we made video on Euro GBP, this is where we are, and you can see that price eventually, though it took some days and months, price move up to this point, come back, retest here as a support, and price move even past the level where we're anticipating our price to get to. So this is massive, and this is Euro GBP. So from where it is, you can see harmonic pattern. So we're expecting price from here to bounce off again to move up. All right, for Euro GBP. Then for GBP JPY, you can see this was where, when we make our last video, was here. Price has moved up to this level. So and this retracement now, price could actually retrace more to get entry point around here. This is key level, this is liquidity zone. From this liquidity zone, you could see price rise off again, at least to hit this zone here. So yeah, JPY is bullish. All right, price will actually give an entry point around this zone, and then price getting to touch this zone, which we have already highlighted. So follow the analysis we've highlighted. Price could hit around 198, even 200 area. but price need to come and get an entry point around here before price we further move, all right, upward. So let's look at CHFJPY. All right, so like I said, for CHFJPY, same thing, same scenario. We started buying from this point when price hit here. All right, the first time was when we were selling from this point and it came down to our liquidity zone, which was clearly highlighted here. Our price have moved up. All right, so we could expect price, retracing, which you can see this trend line is following. So price could go up as high as getting to 179. So at the moment there's no entry point here right now. Then for GBP card, you can see the way price have consolidating. If you check, this is daily time frame. So for 3 months now, price has been within this zone. All right, price broke this liquidity zone and then went back to this second one, and from there price above. So we could see this price GBP card move further up, but where it is until this particular place is broken. All right, until this key level is broken before we see price moving further upwards. Otherwise price could come down from this place where it is right now. Okay, so until this place is broken, once here is broken and retested, first see price going further, otherwise from here price will fall. Then NZD USD. Last time we made video was sell. We were shorting NZD USD and price moved down and even break the key level we highlighted here, which is liquidity zone. Currently, look at where price is above this liquidity zone. So we could see price going further up to at least up to this point. Price could move as up to this point. Is where we could see price go to this key level that is already highlighted. Okay. I don't know, each time I'm using this particular system doing this, we see some of these things getting hung. All right. All right, we could see price get as high as up to this point. This is where I was trying to extend this to show us that price could come as high as this point. All right, so if you're looking for opportunity to short, although before price gets here, this particular place need to be broken. All right, you can see that this place is a small resistance here. You can see this small resistance here playing out. So price actually need to break this particular resistance before it will continue to move up. This is where we're anticipating it to get to. So that is it for NZD USD. So once here is broken, watch out for a retest around this zone and then you buy up to this point. That is for NZD USD. Then for Euro card, all right, for Euro card there's no entry point there. The last time we made video was here, and price has broken all this structure here, and this is where price currently is. So we could see price falling back to retest here as a support, and then price will continue to rise. Then finally Euro AUD, same thing with Euro AUD. All this structure broken, price making giving us a new high, and then price coming down, and that is for over, if you check it, this is over how many months that price touched there for the last time. You can see if you shrink, you will see that it's been very long when price touched this particular zone. It has been very long time price touch here, so for a very long time. So we could see price coming up back to retest this high, or probably breaking it. So this is analysis for this week. Like I said, we focus more on XAUSD, which is good. So if you are not following our signal, you can just reach me at Dubiss1 on Telegram.